The humble lamb samosa, a staple in every home. It's so easy to make, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get straight into it.
So in your pot, add in the mince and then you break up the lumps. Then add in the chili paste, ginger and garlic paste, ground cumin and coriander, black pepper and salt, and mix and cook until no moisture is left. You then add in the onions, spring onions, coriander and garam masala and mix well together. Take your samosa sheet and fold over like this, and then take around a tablespoon of mixture and fill. Fold tightly, making sure you get those points in the three corners, and seal the edges with flour paste. You then fry as many as you like in hot oil until golden, and you can freeze the remaining. You can never have enough of these. Serve with your favourite dip. Please follow for more easy and delicious recipes. Enjoy!